Good morning students. Welcome in class BA part first. In first year, as you know that we were reading essays, and in the series of essays in our last video we have discussed upon the essay that is National Prejudices by Oliver Goldsmith. A very practical essay, very educational essay. And in the details related to last 2 or 3 videos related to concerned essay, we have discussed every point of view that was presented by writer in this essay. Very first, as we just start to read the line, it is very necessary. It is must to know what there was in the last 3 years. So, for your reminding, I am just telling you the thoughts, the ideas that was given in the last videos. Very briefly, you can understand that Oliver Goldsmith considered himself as a wandering writer. And he says that I am a wandering writer because most of my time, most of my span of life has spent outside from my home. Means he presented which type of habit he had, which type of inclination he had, or which type of interest he had. Then we found he was a very logical person. Oliver Goldsmith, the writer of National Prejudices, is considered as a very thoughtful, practical person because every of his ideas are expressed in essays. We are not describing about this particular essay. You must read any essay of Oliver Goldsmith. Every idea is totally based on practical experience. First he felt deeply and then he represented it in essay. I think you understand my speech clearly. That this type of uniqueness in Oliver Goldsmith's essays, which is one thing that makes him unique. Yes, there is one thing that makes him unique. That is the idea given by the writer must be found after practical adaptation. He never expresses the ideas anyhow without any practical base. Same here, in the starting of this essay, he has presented it very clearly that most of my days and nights spent outside. He says that, what he says? In inns, hotels, restaurants, public resorts, my life spent more than my life. And in this essay, he is describing the journey. That was the last journey. And in this journey, occasionally, unwillingly, automatically, he fell down into a company of person. He fell down into a company of person, and there were 6 gentlemen. There were 6 gentlemen, and all these are full of national prejudices. Rashtriya Purvagrah. From outside, they are showing we are country lover. From outside, they are showing we are country lover. Or to prove this statement that we are country lover, the way of the expression of their, or you can say, the example given by their are full of prejudices. Although they are country lover, but is there any need to show or to speak? If you are a country lover, you show your liabilities, you show your morality, you show your duty for country. That means you are a country lover. If you have all these basic fundamental conditions in your behavior, in your conduct and character, then is there any need to speak? There is not any need to speak. You are already, your behavior is already speaks about it. Your conduct already speaks about it. Your character says that, yes, you are country lover. Is there any need to speak that I am country lover? I think that there is no any need. Even they are speaking. We love England. The company belongs to England. We love England. And this type of condition they applicable here. They apply here. That is, they attack upon another country. This is the point to be attacked. They love their country. Good thing. Nice thing. Considerate. But at the time when you show your love for your country, you must attack upon another countries. Is it a way? No. It is not a right way. It is bad way. There is not any need, there is not any condition to show your love for country. There is not any condition. You can show your love for country and you can do it without attacking another country. The same position. So we are calling national prejudices. Rashtriya Purva. The word prejudices clearly and well analysis is not a good thing. Or here we are discussing about the prejudices of countries. That is also a bad thing. So now we know that among these company there were 6 gentlemen. All they were discussing upon a very unique topic. That was a particular political topic. Or upon that political topic, they were discussing everything. Or what they were discussing? They were discussing what type of the futures there are in the countries of Europe. Various types of the name that is also mentioned by the writer, as the name of Dutch, as the name of Spain, as the name of French. These 3 or 4 types of the name are presented by writer, or how writer presented it. Writer is presenting it through the behavior of that gentleman. One particular gentleman out of 6, he is expressing his deep love for country. This is notable here. The person belongs to England, or the person who belongs to England must show his moral duty that I am a country lover. But it is a right thing till here. He is the right person. But at the time when he shows his love for England, he just attacks upon another type of countries, and that was not a good thing. But even there is not any type of another opinion to created there. It accepted. Similarly with the common opinion, Aam Rai say it was accepted because there was not any type of opposition there. Or if anyone from these 6 gentlemen issue the matter of opposition, raise the matter of opposite ideas, there may be some type of complex, but it was not happened there. So finally, ultimately, it was accepted by the company that the gentleman is speaking right. So now the weightage of that gentleman increased more. Now the gentleman thinks himself as the super feature of England. Now the gentleman just consider himself that yes, I am a great country lover. How he accepted there? He was accepted there only due to the common opinion. Although it was not agreeable, even that was agreed by the company. That's why they have just searched a person, one particular type of the person who can involve in this debate, or not only involve in this debate, but also have the proper knowledge about the different countries of Europe. Only that person can give the logical result. Otherwise, same as the gentleman, anyone can speak here. But it was the basic need there. It was the basic condition there that there must be a person who just involved in the debate and finalize the result. But there was nothing. Ultimately, they just found Oliver Goldsmith, because Oliver Goldsmith was also in the same hotel where they stayed. Then, unwillingly, unconditionally, occasionally, or you can say accidentally, Oliver Goldsmith involved in the company, and then he says, I have no right to speak upon the matter. Oliver Goldsmith accepted that I I have not the right to speak about the matter, even if he pressurized. Then he says that after the visit of various countries of Europe, I can give my conclusion, because the debate's topic is so complex and warm. That without visiting different countries of Europe, it is not logical or not possible to speak about them. But it was a great pressure upon him. It was the great pressure of the company that anyhow, whatever may be, he must speak here at present time. So writer was bounded to speak there. Although he just made his position very stable, he just made his position very neutral, but it was not easy to avoid the company, because the gentleman just attacking upon writer, and gentleman just wanted that his opinion must be considered well here, and it was the reason that finally, ultimately, writer was included in the company. And in this company, what he says in the first direction or in the first opinion, he just attack upon the countries of Europe. Now, at the time when writer just start to speak, very first he says about the feature of various countries of Europe. A feature of that type of the countries which was attacked by the gentleman, because gentleman attacked every countries of Europe only to make his country England super. Means he just want to show that England is superior than others. So he was attacking upon other countries. This was the matter to be considered. But writer start his opinion to telling that every type of the country of Europe has their good features. This was a very hurtful statement given by writer. Or why I am speaking hurtful? It is very hurtful for that gentleman, because that gentleman wanted that the writer must accept my opinion. That gentleman wanted that the writer must accept my opinion, or it was the principle of writer. It was the moral principle of writer. It was the considerable psychology of writer, that he never agrees with the thoughts in which he was not agreeable. He never expresses the ideas in which his heart is not applicable. Means he always expresses the ideas that are unique, that are according to his soul, that are according to his mind. That's why he says that I have no right to speak. Even if you bound me, then I can speak. Now you are requested to read your book, that is prose and fiction. अब राइटर ने क्या कहा? That is very important. Very important. Dutch were more frugal and industrious. Dutch, the principle of Dutch, the features of public of Dutch. Dutch were more frugal and industrious. अब देखिए उस जेंटलमैन ने जिसने इतनी सारी बातें कही थी, उसने यूरोप की सभी कंट्रीज की धज्जियां उड़ा दी थी। उसने यूरोप के हर देश में कुछ न कुछ कमी निकाली थी। हाँ, उसने कमियां केवल इसलिए निकाली थी कि उसको अपने देश इंग्लैंड के प्रति अपना प्रेम को शो करना था। हालांकि अपने देश के प्रति अपने प्रेम को शो करने की यह शर्त नहीं थी और नहीं होनी चाहिए, फिर भी उस जेंटलमैन की ऐसी मानसिकता थी कि अगर मैं इन सारे देशों की बुराई करूंगा और अपने देश की बड़ाई करूंगा तो शायद मेरा कंट्री लव ज्यादा अच्छा प्रस्तुत कर पाऊंगा। ऐसा उस व्यक्ति की राय थी। इसलिए बिना जाने पहचाने उसने यूरोप के और देशों की बुराइयां की। अब जब राइटर को उसकी बात रखने का मौका मिला तो राइटर सभी देशों की अच्छी बातों को इन्वॉल्व करेगा और करता है, और वो बताता है कि हर देश में अपनी खास बात है। और यहाँ तक कि सभी देशों की अच्छाई बताने के बाद वो इंग्लैंड के बारे में बहुत कटु बात कह देता है। वो कहता है कि इंग्लैंड के लोग निसंदेह मेहनती हैं, निसंदेह अच्छे वर्कर हैं, निसंदेह टैलेंटेड हैं, लेकिन धैर्य सहन शक्ति उनमें नहीं होती, और बहुत खुशी के पल जब आते हैं तो बहुत जल्दी वो खुश हो जाते हैं। और वैसे ही अगर दुख के पल आते हैं तो इंग्लैंड के लोग दुख सहने की हिम्मत नहीं रखते, थोड़ी सी आपदा और दुख में वो दुखी हो जाते हैं, हार मान लेते हैं। ये बात कहते ही राइटर उन सब लोगों के निशाने पे आ गया। लोगों ने उसकी सिटीजनशिप पे उंगलियां उठाई, लोगों ने उनकी इंग्लैंड में रहने के अधिकार पे उंगली उठाई। वो ये तक कह दिया कि ही हैज नॉट राइट टू लिव इन इंग्लैंड। तो दिस वाज द मैटर दैट वाज प्रेजेंटेड बाय राइटर हियर। तो व्हाट राइटर स्पीक्स अबाउट द फ्यूचर ऑफ दैट टाइप ऑफ द कंट्रीज ऑफ यूरोप। ही सेज अबाउट डिफरेंट टाइप। अब राइटर ने क्या क्या कहा उसके लिए आई एम रिक्वेस्टेड टू ऑब्जर्व in your textbook. This is paragraph 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth paragraph का last part. Dutch were both frugal and industrious. पहली खास बात डच के लोगों की बहुत ज्यादा विद्वान, अच्छे, मेहनती होते डच के लोग। French more temperate and polite. फ्रांस के लोग ज्यादा सहनशील और विनम्र होते हैं। Germans more hardy and patience of labor and fatigue. जर्मनी के लोग बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत करने वाले, श्रम करने वाले, परिश्रमी होते हैं। स्पेनिडर्स मोर सीडेड एंड स्टेड। स्पेन के लोग गंभीर होते हैं, चिंतनशील होते हैं, सोच विचारने वाले, थॉटफुल क्रिएचर होते हैं। देन इंग्लैंड, बजाय इंग्लैंड के, यानी तीनों कंट्रीज की तुलना इंग्लैंड से की गई। एंड इट वॉज प्रूव्ड बाय द राइटर। If we compare in the point of view of labor, point of view of seriousness, point of view of fatigue, point of view of industrious, all these type of the countries are more superior than England. Who? जो इंग्लैंड के लोग तो undoubtedly brave, हालांकि निसंदेह they are very brave, undoubtedly they are very brave and generous, और at the same time rush, लेकिन वो उसी समय रश जल्दबाज वाले, headstrong जिद्दी, impetuous apt to elated with prosperity and despond in adversity, और इतने जल्दबाज होते हैं कि prosperity में बड़े elated हो जाते हैं, खुश हो जाते हैं, and despond in adversity, और adversity विचलता, विपरीतता, प्रतिकूलता में बहुत जल्दी दुखी हो जाते हैं। तो दिस वाज द आइडिया दैट वाज गिवन बाय द राइटर दैट द पीपल ऑफ इंग्लैंड आर समथिंग लाइक इट। द पीपल ऑफ इंग्लैंड आर समथिंग लाइक इट। दे आर वेरी हैप्पी एट द टाइम व्हेन देयर इज हैप्पीनेस। दे आर वेरी सैड एट द टाइम व्हेन देयर इज समथिंग sadness. Means they have not the power to consider, they have not the power to bear anything, they had not the power to bear anything. So this was the reason that was given here. And after expressing these type of the ideas, it was sure, it was definite that the writer must be attacked by the others, because they just wanted that the writer must express the ideas given by us. This was the thinking of that gentleman. That's उसके आगे ये लाइन बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है। I could easily perceive that, मैंने ये बात आसानी से अंदाजा लगा सकता था। All the company began to regard me with jealous eyes, कि सारी जो कंपनी के लोग हैं, 6 के 6 जेंटलमैन, अब वो मुझे ईर्ष्या की दृष्टि से देखेंगे। ये बात मुझे पूरी तरह से पहले से ही कंफर्म थी और दिस वाज सेम कंसिडरेबल हियर. Writer says that I am fully confident that the company will get me or the company will consider me with the jealous eyes. They just show head with me. I know it very well. मुझे ये बात अच्छी तरह से पता थी. Before I had finished my answer, मैं मेरा आंसर पूरा करूंगा उससे पहले ही I had know about it, and then same happened there, which I had no sooner done. Then the patriotic gentleman observed with a contemptuous smile. Yes, then there is the detail related to the mood of that company, and the mood of that company we can consider. That's okay. Anyhow, writer presented his ideas. Ab, what is the base of writer's ideas? Writer says later, we are the citizen of world. This is an important line that was given by writer in the last of this essay. You are interested to note down it in mind only, not only in your mind but also in your notebook. You can note, we are the citizen of the world. Writer says that the complete universe, the complete earth is family. It is the ground of all. Different type of the nations there are in the world, but we should behave like the feeling of brotherhood, but we should behave like the member of family. And if we behave like it, then why we are Indian, why we are German, why we are American, why we are Britishers? We are not all these. We are completely the citizen of England. Citizen of world. But today, writer says that now we become so much Indian. Now we become so much American. Now we become so much Canadian, so much German, so much Spanish that we have no time to think that we are the member of world. Mind and psychology should be changed. This is our mentality. If we want to express our love for our country, why we attack upon another country? It is not a good way to express your love for country. It is not a good way to express your ideas for country. You must show your love for your country, but it is not, or it should not be any type of the condition to attack upon another country. It is a bad way to express your love. So try to accept with the feeling of brotherhood. Try to accept with the ideas that yes, you are the citizen of world. Here, very important that was given by writer is the feeling of brotherhood. The basic keynote of this essay, or the keyword of this essay is brotherhood. Brotherhood. That was using in Hindi word, you can tell it about bhaichara. This is the way that we live in the complete world as a family member. We can create brotherhood everywhere. Everywhere is using for one country, keep the brotherhood for another country. It creates a good relationship among the countries of world. Or if there is good relationship among the countries of world, this is not a foreign policy. We are not describing about foreign policy. What the foreign policy, that is another matter. But we inside from our heart, from our feeling, we keep love for everyone. Or it is the first condition of brotherhood created in world. If we want to create a feeling of brotherhood in world, then we must think about it that this is conception of brotherhood. And in the last of this essay, writer speaks that we must create this type of the habit. We must change this type of the ability, this type of the psychology, that we are the citizen of world. It is a good thing, and it also indicates your good behavior, and we must keep this type of the good behavior. So the essay has also a moral lesson that the complete world is our family, and we are the member of this broad and grand family. In our next video, we will complete it. Thank you.